Let's talk about the exercises for Michelle, the Kindy
Okay
exercise.
then.
Okay. Yeah. So the first exercise. So this exercise is going to be actually already challenging for Kindy students. It's just write. So remember, it's the numbers from 1 to 20, or you can include 0 as well. And basically write the numbers.
Oh yes.
Write the numbers basically, and then write them in words too.
But do you think this is a letter?
So this will give you an idea. Like, see, when you give them a question and then they can't do it, right?
Yes.
You're gonna think, oh, are they dumb or something? But if you just see how they can write, then you'll know that the problem could be just the writing as opposed to not being able to come up with a question.
But if you can do a D, so that's a semicircle, a D.
Okay, so you write the numbers. So we wrote them before, remember?
Yes.
So it's really important that you try to actually write them, okay? And you only have to really know how to write 9, 10 different symbols, okay? And then it starts repeating. Okay, but then you can also write them in words.
Right? I think it's 10 next.
Yeah, it's 10 next, right? Okay, but if we write them in words, right, this would be 0. Okay?
Yes.
Have you seen this word before?
Yes.
Okay. 1. Okay.
I didn't see that word before.
Okay, so this could actually take quite a bit of practice. You have to write the 0, the 1, 2. Okay. 3.
But I know a 0 and a 1 and also a 10 and 9, but not the all other numbers.
Oh yeah, so this is not like, so the number 2, okay, so there's other ways to write the word 2, okay, these all mean something else, they don't mean 2, okay?
They don't mean the number 2.
Yeah. Okay, that was the first exercise. Basically you didn't actually complete that one, okay? But the other exercise you can do without writing, or you can do it with writing. Counting forwards and backwards, you seem to be able to do, right? So the next exercise would have been, so that was 1. 2 would be count forwards and backwards, right? And you can do it in steps. Okay, so can you count like 1 to 20? 0, 1, 2, 20? You did that before, right?
Can
you do it?
Yes.
0, 1, 2.
You need to draw them and I say the numbers.
Oh, you want me to write them down?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'll do it quickly then, okay?
1 first, 2 second, and 3 third.
Yeah, so you might not be able to write, but you can still count. Okay?
4.
It's a different thing.
5 next. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Is that 0 starting first? And 14. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yeah. Okay, so you can do it backwards, or can you do it by threes? Can you count it by threes?
Maybe, but I don't know how to do the numbers.
So where do you want to start? You want to start at 0 or 1?
1.
Okay, start at 1. Can you count by threes?
Maybe 1.
What does count by threes mean?
Means 1, 2, 4.
Ah, so 4, yeah?
Yes.
So that's, you jump by 3. 1, 2, 3, right. Okay, so what's the next one? That's 1, 4, 7. Alright, that's almost.
I think I know 10.
10, yeah. So none of you won't be able to. So interesting is that you can't write any of these things down because you can't write even the numbers. But you can know the next one to count, so that's different.
14.
Right? Which one?
14.
13.
I didn't say 13. I said 14.
Oh, okay. Is it 13 or is it 14?
Actually 13.
It should be 13, right? It's not 14. Okay, what
Because
else?
13. Now 16.
Is it 16? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 16. 19. Okay. You count by threes, yeah?
Then it has to be 22.
Yeah, it's a little bit beyond, okay. What if we want to count by fives, okay? What number can we start with? 0 or 1? You want to start with 0 or 1?
1.
Start with 1 again, okay? We count by 5.
Oh. That's easy. You go 1 to 6.
6, okay. Yeah.
And then 2. I know. 14!
Okay, so we got to 6. Okay, stop. Yeah. Look at this way, look at this way.
What? Is it just a 19?
Now that was from before. Now we're doing the square ones, right? The circled ones we're counting by threes. So we got 1 to 6, yeah? Then we want to count by 5. What's in after 6?
6 equals 20.
20.
No. 20.
哎，
我知道什么叫
你别告诉他，你等一下。Okay, so you got 1. Maybe I'll erase the other things. You have 1. Okay. Hey, watch here. 1, 6. What else?
What did I say again?
So you said 1, 6. What's
This?
next?
I said
3.
23.
But that's not going up by 5. You know, 1 goes up by 5 to 6, right? 6 goes up by 5 to what?
7. Easy. 7.
7 is just 1, right? You want to go up by 6. 5. What's 6 plus 5?
I think I really want to start with 0.
You want to start with 0. Okay, start with 0.
0 to 10.
No. Go up by 5.
Correct. I already don't know how to do 5 starting with 0.
See, that's the thing. Like, you probably know it's 6 because you memorized 1 plus 5, but you don't understand how to get to it, okay? See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? That's how you get to 6.
I got plus. So up to the 4, not 6.
No. We have 6. Okay. So look.
But you're supposed to
We
go
got
to
1.
4.
Look, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? That's plus 5. That's why you got to 6. Yeah?
6 is 5, and 5 is 4. What?
No. Look. You get to 1 to 6, right? Because you added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But I can count to 20 or 23.
Yeah, but the
Only
point is, once you get to 6, then you get to the next 5, and you have to add 5, right?
The next 5 is 6.
Yeah, and then what's after 6?
Oh, I count.
Yeah, counting. That's important, right?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So next, but we are doing 5.
Yeah.
So we can do add. We are doing next is 11.
11. Oh, yes. Okay, it took you long enough, but the point is it's important to figure out why, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah?
I think we don't need to do 12 now, and the 13 or the 14 now. It's going to be the 15. Actually, the 16.
Yeah, you got a 16, yeah?
Oh. That's 20.
Not 20.
Yeah, see, these are 3s and this 20. I think it's not 20.
What is it?
This is 4s.
Yeah, that'll be the next one, right? We haven't written it down.
Yes, it's 22.
Not 22.
23.
Now you're just guessing.
Where's or 4? Oh, 6. It's the 26.
It is 26, but there's one before 26, okay?
Yeah.
See, what's this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Do you know?
This one you count by another 5.
Count by 5. So it's 1, 6, 11, 16.
Count by no, it's 26. I'm white.
No, it's 26 over here, okay? But there's another number between.
There's also a different thing you can count by 5. It's like 5, 10.
Yeah, that's
15.
this one. Yeah, but you can't just memorize it, okay? That's the problem you're having, okay? You're just remembering it. Yeah?
But you always do
Like,
6.
The point is you're not trying to remember just count by 5 because it's pointless. There's so many things you can remember. There's too many things to remember like that, okay?
But you're supposed to be doing 6.
Because that's only if you start with 5, you count like that, right? But what if you start with 2? If you start with 2, then you count by 5. You have to remember another thing, or you can just try to figure it out. It's 2, 7, 12, right?
But you only need to do 6 for 5 and the 10 for nothing and 11 for another 6 and also 11 is a 5 also because we count by 5s.
Yeah. So actually, the one you count by 5 here, so it's 16, right?
Yeah. They are
1,
all
2, 3, 4. Okay. You count by 4, you get to 20, right?
yes.
So what do you get if you count by 5 from 16?
Easy, 26.
The next one's 26, but there's one before that. Do you know what it is?
No, it's supposed to be me saying
Actually, counting by 5s is also for year 1.
No,
Okay.
you only have to
So you gotta know that.
I only have to say it because I'm doing it, not Michael.
Yeah, but now someone has to tell me what this next number is.
Oh. But it's supposed to be 26. Wait, is it 21?
Well, 31 is the next one, okay?
Yes.
Alright? But I want to know this one. I want to know what's after 16 and before 26.
Oh, you mean before and after? Okay. But I don't know what's before.
So I want before 26 and after 16. So we go 1, 6, 11, 16, then what?
Oh, so 26 is before 21, huh?
Yeah, well, I think what you're trying to say is 21 is before 26, right?
Yeah. But it's supposed to be 25. Wait, no?
So 21 was what your brother said, okay? No?
I'm not 23.
No, 23. What if you start with 0, yeah? If you count by 5 from 0.
But what happens if you count from 6? Yes. Yeah, that means it's 7.
Yeah, if you count from 6, it'll be the same, but it'll start from here, right?
Yeah, it's 6. You have to start from 7 to it doesn't look like the real counting by 6, but This is a hard one, right? This count
Well,
by.
this is counting by 5, but you can start at different places, right?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Alright.
And we count from 6. The 6 is the 7. Wait, but there's still different ways to do it. You can do it like this. Stop talking. I'm just doing some make sense stuff.
Yeah.
But
So if you start with 0, do you know how to do it?
but look at this pencil.
0. Yeah.
But this pencil is starting
No, I
from
want you to
both
start
ways.
with 0 and count by 5.
But this
You have to
pencil is
listen.
starting both ways, but one part is broken, one part can draw.
Yeah, don't be distracted by this pencil, okay? It's broken.
That's double.
Okay, watch it. How do you count by 5? You did this right, okay? When you start with 1. What if you start with 0?
0. But I would start 1 because I don't know how to do 5 to count with start with 0. I only can start with 1.
Yeah,
I know.
so not knowing how, it's not good enough, right? We know how to do this. We have to try to understand how to do this. Figure it out, okay?
If you can
They're
count,
similar.
if you can count to 2000, you can do the 2000 1.
Yeah, that's something else, okay? So, can you do it? Can you count from 0 by 5?
0 by 5.
So we start at 0, you count 5 each time. You know how to do that?
Because I just did the normal one.
There is no normal one, okay?
The normal one, he said you have to count from 0 like this. 0, 1,
Actually, what
2,
you're saying is the
3,
normal one is
4,
actually the same as
5.
this, but you just have to figure that out, okay?
The normal
So
one
you can't use
easy.
these processes of just remembering them and saying it's the normal ones. They're a little bit dumb, okay? That's
Yes,
the
the
problem.
normal ones are so dumb.
Yeah. So what you have to do is be able to figure that out, okay? You can't just think of everything as remembered, all right?
Yes, Michael always so silly because he wants to do the 5 normal.
No, but the 5 normal ones right in this case. You just have to figure out why it's right, okay?
Yes.
Can you count from 0 by 5s?
5, 10, 15, 20.
Yeah.
Why
So
this is
5,
a bell
10,
scene?
15, 20, yeah?
But this is a bell scene.
Why?
Because why is like this? But it's supposed to be starting with 1 to 20, not 0 to 20. Yeah, but 0. That's so stupid. Yeah, but 0 is supposed to be counting to 20, but 0 is after 1.
Okay, so that's the second exercise, and obviously you can do that a lot of different ways, right? We can start from 2, we can start from 3, we can start from 4, we can start anywhere and count by 5s, 2s, 3s.
We can start any number. We also can start at 10.
Okay. Alright, let me tell you about the last thing, okay?
Okay.
So that's the first 2 exercises. The last exercise, so these could take ages for you to do. This could take up the whole 2 weeks, okay?
What is it then?
So the last exercise, alright, so you have 20 numbers now. 20 numbers is enough to have the complete addition table, okay?
But I'm supposed to be saying yes, not Michael.
Yeah, it's meant to be you. Or maybe you're too slow sometimes. Okay, so if you have 20, so this is exercise 3, okay?
Oh.
If you have 20 numbers, okay, you can actually fill out a whole plus table, okay?
Wow, that's a metal jacket.
So we might have to explain what plussing actually means.
Wow.
So you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right?
Oh, yes. My
And you need to probably draw these squares bigger because they have writing problems, okay?
That's a big square.
Okay, 0, 1, 2.
But one is messed up. See?
Yeah.
Papa, one square is messed up.
Okay. Wait. 你要什么？
那个 A 语言那个不知道，他要看了那个 work writing 那个 writing。
Yeah, everyone does, okay? Because it's for for some reason people don't like to make mistakes, okay? But the thing is, you have to try to make mistakes before you can get it right.
So your brain gets bigger.
Yeah, I guess.
But one square is messed up.
Yeah, so look at this, okay? So when we say what to put in this square, okay? The thing we're going to put in this square is 1 plus 0, okay? The thing we're going to put in this square here is 2 plus 2.
Yeah.
And here's like 4 plus 5, okay?
Okay. Hey, 1 plus 0 is 1 again.
Yeah. Okay. So if you don't know what plussing means, right? You have to think of. So you have to choose a left and right. Maybe we'll go from left to right. Okay? So if it's 1 plus
Okay.
1 plus 2, okay?
Yeah.
What we mean by that is
That means it's 3.
yeah, we count. No, that's not what we mean. Okay, it is 3, but what we mean by 1 plus 2
Also,
we count from 1 twice. Okay.
I already know
So we start from 1, okay, and then we count
to 1.
twice.
So we counted like this: 1, 1, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3. No.
Okay.
Listen to Daddy.
And then it's kind of like maybe it's a bit of an interesting pattern that if you do it the other way, 2 plus 1. Okay.
What
If you
happened
start at 2
here?
and you count by 1, you also get to 3. Okay.
What
So it actually doesn't matter which order you add the numbers, which is
What
interesting, and you'll
happened-
discover that as you fill out the table.
But what happened
Okay.
to here? Okay.
Yeah. So you're at the end of your concentration span. Okay. So this is 20 minutes.
Wow. 20
Okay. So we're gonna have to stop here. But there's a lot of different things you can fill out with this, okay? And this is way more than enough for 2 weeks
So-
if you want to master this and use it to be able to.
So later we will do this. Oh, why? This is super packet.
Hmm.
Okay, some boy.